Today we will learn how to make a charming video from photos using CapCut. Like this. Let's start tutorial. First, open CapCut, New Project, and choose Photos. Click Add. Define the image. Choose Style from the bottom menu. Choose 3D Zoom Pro. Look at the effect, as if the image is moving. Repeat the steps with all photos. This is the result. Then add sound. Select beats, then add beats. Select beat 2, then auto-generate. You can see yellow dots in sound file. Match the photos with yellow dots. Split the sound clip and delete the last part. This is the result. Export the video. Finally, this is the result.